Want to escape the rat race? Tired of trading time for money? Imagine waking up to money in your account. That's the power of passive income. And guess what? Artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever. AI is no longer science fiction, it's here, and it's changing the game. This isn't just for tech geniuses. Anyone can use AI to build wealth. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about working smarter, not harder. This is about leveraging technology to create the life you want. Are you ready to join the AI revolution? Let's dive in. Passive income is the holy grail of personal finance. It's about earning money without actively working for it. You set up a system once and it keeps generating income, even while you sleep. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in the effort up front, you water it, you nurture it, but once it grows, it bears fruit for years to come. That's the beauty of passive income. Imagine traveling the world, spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, all while your passive income streams keep flowing. That's the freedom this lifestyle can provide. So how does AI fit into this? AI tools can automate income-generating tasks. This frees up your time and supercharges your earning potential. AI is like having a team of tireless robots working for you 24/7. Let's explore some powerful ways to use AI for passive income. Content creation is a goldmine. AI tools can help you write engaging blog posts, create stunning social media content, even produce high-quality videos. This content can drive affiliate sales, generate ad revenue, and more. Trading bots are another exciting avenue. These AI-powered tools can analyze market trends and execute trades automatically. It's like having a personal stockbroker working for you around the clock. And that's not all. AI can also power chatbots for customer service, create and sell online courses, and even design and sell merchandise. The possibilities are truly endless. Ready to start building your passive income empire with AI? The first step is to educate yourself. There are tons of free resources available online. Start by exploring the AI tools mentioned in this essay. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different tools and see what works best for you. The key is to take action and start building your AI-powered income streams. Remember, success takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Be patient, stay consistent, and you will reap the rewards. The future of passive income is here, and it's powered by AI. The only question is, are you ready to seize the opportunity?